Crypto is everywhere these days today, isn't it? Your techie cousin can't stop talking about Bitcoin. That college friend who was never into investing has now suddenly become a crypto expert. And your social media has suddenly been flooded by news about crypto. It feels like everybody's making money in crypto, isn't it? It feels exciting and tempting. But here's the thing. For every crypto success story, there are dozens of losses. People who jumped in without understanding, made emotional decisions, or ended up falling in traps. And trust me, in crypto, these mistakes can cause you big time. That's why we're breaking down the 5 biggest crypto investment mistakes in this video. So grab a chai and let's get started. Mistake number 1. Not doing enough research. Most people come into crypto because they heard about it from someone's friend or they saw some influencer make insane amount of money out of it. But like any other investment, crypto is not a get rich quick scheme, no matter who tells you what. Think about buying a car. You wouldn't just buy a car just because someone recommended it or you saw a pretty car somewhere, would you? If you want to buy a car, you would compare features, look them up online, ask for an expert's advice. And same goes for crypto. Take some time to understand what cryptocurrencies are, how a blockchain works, and which coins have the most potential. It's not just about Bitcoin. There's a whole world of cryptocurrencies, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. So the more you know, the better you'll be equipped to make smarter decisions about your investments. Mistake number 2, letting emotions overpower you. Crypto markets are extremely volatile. Even Bitcoin, which is said to be the digital gold, has decreased by more than 75% on 3 separate occasions. Such price swings can easily test someone's emotions. Fear, greed, FOMO are the 3 main drivers of bad investment decisions. So stay cool, calm and collected. Make decisions based on facts and analysis, not on emotions. Mistake number 3. Investing in a coin just because it's cheap. In 2021, Shiba, a famous meme coin, was selling at a fraction of $1. Many investors bought millions of these tokens thinking that if this particular token reaches to $1 mark, they'll all become millionaires. Fast forward to today, Shiba is still not seen to be wandering around the $1 mark. Because of a supply in quadrillions, it is mathematically impossible for it to reach that number. So don't fall for the cheap coin trap. A 10 rupee coin with solid fundamentals is likelier to give solid returns than a meme coin with no real utility or any real value to be provided in the world. So do your research. Try to understand the fundamentals behind a coin, understand the team behind it, and of course, the coin's real world application. Mistake number 4, putting all your eggs in one basket. Putting all your money into one cryptocurrency is a very high risk strategy. So always spread your risks across different assets. By investing in a mix of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are very promising coins, along with some altcoins like AI, DePIN, and RWA projects, along with some DeFi tokens which no one really talks about and are a part of the secret alphas that everyone exchanges every once in a while. You're spreading and diversifying your risks in order to make sure that even if a couple of them really go down, the others will pull you out of that trap. Mistake number 5, borrowing money or using leverage. As we already said, cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile. Prices can swing wildly in just a matter of hours. If you're using borrowed money and the market goes against you, you could end up owing more than what you invested.
35 लाख का तो हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट है, तो 36 लाख का घाटा कैसे हो गया?
Even some exchanges provide you 125x leverage. But for beginners to try these things out, it's no less than driving a car without knowing the basics of driving a car. So only invest what you can afford to invest and afford to lose as well. If losing that much amount of money affects your ability to buy groceries or pay rent, then it's probably too much. Okay, so we're at the end of the video and I know that these 5 mistakes might seem like a lot, but think of it this way. Would you spend a lot of time learning now or end up regretting a lot later? And if you already own crypto or want to own crypto but keep it securely and safely, then Material Bitcoin's hardware wallet is the best choice out there in the market. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and do not forget to share it with that one crypto bro who does not know what he's talking about. Until next time, stay safe, happy investing.